If your 5-liter powered 2015 to 2020 F-150 needs some new catalytic converters, then this kit is a great way to get you back on the road and keep your truck fully legal for less money than you might expect. Now, they might not be the most exciting thing, but catalytic converters are super important, and like many other components on your truck, they can wear out over time. So if you're getting catalyst codes, or if you're noticing that your truck feels overall a little bit more sluggish than it did before, there is a chance that your cats are failing or are clogged up, or maybe a little bit of both. Especially if you live in a place where emissions inspections are required, a fully functioning set of catalytic converters is a necessity. This kit here is effectively a bolt-on replacement for your factory originals on both sides. They're designed to bolt right into place, and they utilize a honeycomb ceramic carrier just like your originals do. There are even oxygen sensor plugs on both sides, so you can plug your factory O2 sensors in and have everything working like new. The piping is all 2.5-inch diameter stainless steel, just like your factory setup. You've got flared ends here to meet up with your exhaust manifolds, and again, everything is designed to bolt right into place. The cores of those cats again feature that honeycomb style ceramic carrier with recessed cushioning mats around them, again, just like factory originals. So short of going to the Ford dealer, this is about as close as you're gonna get. Now, it is worth noting these are not performance oriented in any way. So if you're chasing big power, these probably aren't gonna be the ones you wanna go with. However, if you're just looking for an economical replacement for your originals, these are going to be a great choice for you because they'll do the job and they'll cost you a little bit less money than you might expect. Speaking of which, pricing for this kit comes in at about $850. And since this includes both cats and is a bolt-on ready setup, that is a pretty solid deal. You're gonna have to spend a lot more to buy these separately, and you might have to do custom work or have it done at an exhaust shop. And if you try to get a set from your Ford dealer, it's gonna be a huge amount of money. So this is a great way to get what you need and have your truck back up and running and legal and save some money in the process. Installation is going to get a 2 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 2 hours to complete. Now, like I mentioned several times throughout this video, again, this is a bolt-on setup. You're not going to have to make any modifications to your truck, so this is a job that you can tackle at home, again, saving you some money. Now, you are going to have to get up in there to get these flanges undone, and swapping over O2 sensors is never a fun time, especially if they're the originals. But this is one that you can tackle yourself with some time and patience. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the driver and passenger side catalytic converter kit fitting 2015 to 2020 5-liter power F-150s. Thanks so much for watching, and for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.